What is the scene internet? Today we have I just bought a Wingsland drone, Wingsland S6 drone. It cost me about 60 US dollars, and with shipping to Trinidad, the shipping and the handling fees came up to about 160. So I'd say this drone cost me about 550 TT dollars. Alright, so this is the box it came in. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have to say the box is very high quality. I love the box. It's magnetic, and inside the box it tells you all the accessories you could get. This is the instruction booklet. Don't need that. Yeah, I'll read that after. So the drone, this is the drone. It comes in a traveling case of some sort. Feels pretty good. Right. So this is the drone. Yeah. And this is the battery terminal. The build quality feels good. You can see that what the camera lens looks like, but yeah, pretty good. It's foldable. I might say for 60 US, the build feels really good. I don't think it will break. The propellers may break on impact, but it has this, it's like this collapsible propellers, so you know, if it hits something, it will just collapse in. There was a version we could buy with the wing guards, propeller guards. I didn't buy it because I just wanted to see what this looked like, see if it works. Right, so let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box, there's a plastic film, shows you USB cable, screwdriver, battery, and the charger. This is the cable, one of those flat USB cables. I don't like these. I think I'll be using one of my cables. Battery. Oh, it's actually good. Right, this is the battery. 1400 milliamp hours. Not bad. You see how good this is? See how long this lasts. Extra propellers in case it breaks. Get about 8 replacement blades, 8 or 6. I don't know, I'll have to open it. And then there's the screwdriver. Marks Wingsland on it. So a hex tip screwdriver. It's hex tip, pentatip. And it could also be used as a keychain. Right? So now we move to like some drone footage of me flying the drone and what images came off of it. After playing with the drone a bit, the battery wasn't charging at first. So I just left it for like a long period of time. And when I came back, it worked fine. It was saying 100%. But I believe there's an error or something with the firmware that the display doesn't accurately read the battery power, or there's some defect with the battery that I have, because the percentage it goes from 100 to 30, sometimes it stays at 60. It was just all over the place, but all in all the drone flew really well. It's a really high class product besides the battery problems I'm getting, and it's not a bad buy for $60. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, drop a like. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.